What's good, guys? We're here. We've won twice this week, and we're here for a third trade today. And right now we are in a sell. I'm a bit worried, but I need to understand that I've already lost the $17 that I've risked, and I've just had some pizza. I kind of feel fat. I'm not gonna lie to you. It was one of the impulse things, which I have it, and then I realized it was just useless. I didn't need it. Besides that, we've done a bit of back testing today, and obviously we have a trade in right now. Sell with a lot of news coming in. It's kind of giving me flashbacks because I was just back testing previously, and in certain market conditions, when there is news and I'm going against a trend, which I am, it doesn't end well. But we're going to experience it. So I'll show you guys what happened, and I'm expecting a retracement now. Probably not a good thing. Probably should always go with the trend. Obviously, if you guys like this video, hit that like and subscribe. You know how it is. I'm not going to stop till I get to the top. You guys can come with me. Down below is Traders Headquarters. And let's get to the video. Boom. This is how the trade's currently looking. I took a sell here because there's a monthly. I took a sell here because there's a monthly open price. The problem that we can see here is price came down, grabbed this liquidity from before London session, then came through on the other side, continuing until London session. If that makes sense, guys, what I'm trying to say is price is continuing one way, although we want price to come down for us to get in so that we go with the trend. Although what is happening is that price is just going straight up. And in these situations, I may be learning right now from this trade not to take these certain types of trades because of one, timing's off, two, because of the pattern. The pattern is also another problem. Also, I'll show you guys what happened yesterday as well. This was an absolute beautiful trade. As I detailed to you all that when this type of pattern is formed, this is what happens. Price comes up first, comes back down, then obviously a good area. If you get the right area, price comes back up to the daily open and then rejects because of the pattern. As for this one, the pattern is exactly the same, although reversed. I'm not supposed to necessarily be in this sell, although it kind of goes with the trade, kind of goes with the strategy. And I've been winning all this week, so I'm just like, you know what? I just need to take this sell because it feels like, I guess I'm just in tune with the market, how the market was moving. And I was just like, you know what? I'm just going to do this. Probably going to take a sell all the way to the daily open once again. And for this, if price does make it to the daily open before New York, then it's going to be such a beautiful opportunity for me to take a buy with the trend. Right now, we just expect price to make it to this area right here. The reason why is because I can bring it to break even from there. Even though we do have a monthly open price that we did take a sell from, we don't necessarily want to have a no set take profit. The reason why I don't want to have an dimension expansion, like if you guys listen to what I was saying last video or last live, dimension expansion is a word I kind of made up with like the Jujutsu Kaisen sort of relativity, and the sort where there is no take profit. So when I do my special technique, dimension expansion, is when I have an infinite take profit and I don't actually set a take profit until the next day is when I bring my stop loss up to my profits to a certain area. Right now we're just watching this, guys, and we're probably just gonna watch the whole thing. We're gonna see what happens for this whole day, see how price moves. And yeah, I do expect price to essentially push to the downside. The reason why I expect price to push to the downside is because this has happened once again when price does break here. Break liquidity right here. Hold on. When price does break liquidity right here, which it did right here, and it just kind of gave me that signal where it's like, okay, so price wants to continue pushing down because of how price is lining up, which I didn't even know till now, but price is lining up for a retracement. Another reason why I say this as well is we'll go back to when it did happen. Price came down, it grabbed the 4 hour, took a buy here. No, I didn't take a buy, I took a buy earlier here, obviously got invalidated, then came back up here, then took another buy right here. Price came down and invalidated me once again, and it started retracing down before pushing back up once again. But since we've been in this trend, I do expect, since price has done this once again, for price to come down and retrace for a bit. If all this makes sense, you guys will understand. If it doesn't make sense, it is what it is. Price has also deviated around 30%, and that's another reason to why I want to take a sell, because price has deviated one way 30%. The only problems that I can see here is I'm going against a trend and the pattern. Besides that, we're going to be patient. We may get stopped out here. It looks like that could be the case. There's a potential chance for that to be the case. But we just have to be patient and see what happens. We're not going to take out our trade, but we're just going to end this video here, and you guys are going to let me know what you all think in the comments down below what happens. So if you guys like this video, hit that like and subscribe. You know what to do. You all know how it goes. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Peace. What's good, guys? This is the next day. This is Friday, the last day for this week to trade. I just took a buy like around 45 minutes ago, no, 45 minutes ago, something like that. I took a buy, and the reason why I did is because price hasn't touched the daily open since 7 a.m., which is practically hasn't touched it throughout the whole day, which is a good thing because we can at least put our take profit if we want to keep a set take profit at the daily open, which we're honestly going to hold this through due to the fact that this is still in a trend, still in a trending phase, and we just assume that price is going to push to the upside. Even though we understand that price can just come down and hit our stop loss, we're taking another buy, and we're going to use our dimension expansion and have no take profit. Right now, price has just retested the monthly open price, and it's been successful with breaking the previous 5-minute liquidity that just made. And now we just expect price to continue pushing up, and hopefully it makes it to the daily open before New York, because that kind of gives me a better sense and a better feeling of assurance that I can hold this, especially during the news that happens in New York, and just hold this New York. So I'm also planning on sizing in soon once price comes back to retest the 5-minute liquidity, or probably creates a small 5-minute liquidity and comes back to grab it and retest the previous 5-minute liquidity. That's when I'll probably size in a bit more on this position, because I just want to get into sizing more, since this is a really good position to put more into. And yeah, guys, so we're just going to wait. We're going to be patient. You guys know we're not going to stop till we get to the top. Traders headquarters down below. Raiden's also in the chat. Raiden, you can say hello. My guy trying to be speed 2.0. But yes, Raiden's there. What the fuck? Why are you moaning, bro? Why you? So yeah, guys, I'm gonna come back in like 30 minutes, or probably the next day, and you guys will just see what happens. But yeah, you guys tell me what you guys think in the comments below. What happens with this trade? It's actually going really well now, although we don't know till the end of the trade, obviously, the end of this day. So yeah, catch you all in a few hours, 30 minutes. We'll see what happens.